Hey, Gulner, my friend, fellow trader, it's Will here over to fxace.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So, start of July 2019. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel and you want to receive trading ideas, trading strategies, simply click the link below that says subscribe. Okay, so this video is an update on last week's trade I give you on gold. So it was a sell opportunity based off the higher time frames of the weekly and daily. We're at a long-term resistance and sell zone on the weekly charts, and you can see from the signal it went up a little bit, but the day after I give the signal it has been dropping since, and I'm in my full position here. I'm targeting around 1358, and you see it's dropping down nicely. So far we're at 1384. First trade I entered was around about 1405, and as it was coming back down, you can see it went back up after I entered the trade, but it was coming back down. I entered a second sell position for to the downside, and it's been dropping nicely. I'm now in my full position, so I hope you've got in on this trade. It's very nice trade so far. One position's up about $30 on the gold, and the other's up around 20. So if you get in the trade, you can comment below and let me know the price you get in at. Yeah, so that's it. If you want to get more signals like this, you can sign up to my weekly signal service via the link in the description of the video. If you have any questions, get in contact with me at will@fxace.com. And again, happy trading. Have a great week.